Hello everyone. First of all, we want to thank you for your support and appreciation through likes and comments for our previous videos, and do hope you will like this video also. This video is about garden craft and unusual creativity work. We are going to share with you few beautiful and easy to apply ideas. So keep watching the video till the end and you will get many unique and interesting ideas for your front yard or backyard garden. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Your support and appreciation always needed. It brings a lot of courage for us. Garden decor attracts the eyes, so place your decor near areas of the garden you want to draw attention to. Well-placed pieces of art near beautiful groups of plants create vignettes that will capture a viewer's attention. Through this video, you can get many ideas to make your garden piece of beautiful and unique artwork. Most gardens are beautiful. Combining garden decor with your planting can take your garden from pretty and peaceful to a secret garden sanctuary. Art adds personality, provides forces and interest, and expresses your personal style. And for this, you don't need to be artistic to add art to your landscape, although it can be a great way to display your work through your creativity. There are many and different garden art styles available, so if you start hunting, you are sure to find something you will love. Here are a few helpful tips for how to incorporate art and decor into your garden. Look for a piece of garden art, get inspiration from this video, make a note of the types of art that you love and the art styles you are drawn to. While some gardens can manage the cluttered look with many different styles and pieces, it's challenging to pull off. It's much easier to decide on a general style that you like. For example, you can go for a modern industrial look with concrete planter, or more rustic aesthetic with garden gnomes, or art made from beautiful pieces of wood, or something more eclectic with handy colored pieces like garden spinners and hand painted ceramics. To give your garden a rustic look, you can add old stuff, just like as there are many examples you may find in this or previous videos. Also, just like as using your old pants or pots, or you also can use your long shoes or these kind of things to add fun creativity in your garden. It's fun to have small pieces tucked into corner for a surprise here and there, but having a large main focal point like a water feature will really set the tone and atmosphere for your garden. Garden decor attracts the eyes, so you place your decor near areas of the garden you want to draw attention to. Well-placed pieces of the art near beautiful groups of plants create vignettes that will capture a viewer's attention. Before you install your art piece, think about the possible viewing angle. You may want to be able to see it from a specific window in your house or while sitting on the patio. Choose the location so that you can enjoy the view of your art from multiple places. It can be hard to imagine the scale of an art piece in your garden when you are looking at it in a store surrounded by. To give unique look to your garden, there are few things to do, just like as add flowers or flowering plants, control weeds, group plants around a theme, add some garden art, use colorful pots or feature containers, use multi-functional edible herbs and flowers, create unity and diversity, choose a feature. So at the end of this video, we want to request you, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Thanks for watching.